The load 1.
Load 1 switched on. Load 1 switched off.
Let us switch on the second
Load
load.
2 switched on. Load 2 switched
Let
off.
us switch it off. And the
Load
third
3
load,
switched on. Load 3 switched
and let us
off.
switch it off.
All loads switched on. All the loads were switched off.
Hello everyone, I am Maswoodhur. Welcome to another video related to MIT App Development. Actually, this is the video number 3 in this series of videos. So in this series of videos, we are learning the development of Android app using MIT App Inventor. So in the previous 2 videos, we have developed some basic applications. So this video will be a dedicated video related to the development of an app to control the electrical devices in our home. So there are 2 modes of controllability, one by using Bluetooth module, another is by using IoT. So this class we will discuss about the Bluetooth based home automation. So how to control multiple electrical devices through Bluetooth module. We got into the MIT App Inventor homepage using our login ID and password. So here you can click new project. It will ask for the project name. Now we have landed in the designer page of the app. So here we will try to develop the app step by step. First of all, let me change the screen color. So the screen background color, let me choose it to be neon. And I want to give the naming for the app. So let me name it as Bluetooth based home automation. If you like, you can put one more label and you can write the developer's name. So as we are going to use Bluetooth as the channel of communication, let us display the message whether any Bluetooth devices is connected or not. So for that, take the label, put it here, fill across the parent, and this is the space for displaying the connectivity status. So next we need to show the list of Bluetooth devices available nearby. So for that, go to list picker, drag it inside. So we have named this as scan for Bluetooth devices. After scanning the Bluetooth devices, a list of Bluetooth devices will be listed on our mobile phone and we can select the correct Bluetooth device from which we are going to implement the Bluetooth based home automation, and we can click on the buttons corresponding to the load control what we need. So let us implement it for one load. Later we can proceed for multiple loads. So I am going to use 2 buttons in horizontal arrangement manner. So go to layouts, take the horizontal arrangement. So inside the horizontal arrangement, place 2 buttons. Okay, we have implemented 2 buttons in our Android app. So one button for switching on the lamp 1, another button for switching off the lamp 1. As we decided that Bluetooth is the channel of communication, so we need a Bluetooth client. For that, go to connectivity, add a Bluetooth client in our project, and we need a clock. Take the clock also. Now in terms of design, we have completed. We need to code these elements accordingly. For that, go to the block programming. So before picking any device, what the app should do, we have to program for it. For that, go to the scan for Bluetooth devices, select the before picking. So now you can go for the same scan for Bluetooth device, select the set the Bluetooth elements to be, go to the Bluetooth client, select the Bluetooth client 1 address and name. So by doing this, before clicking the device, default address will be stored on the Bluetooth client element. Now after clicking, what you need to do, you have to program. After picking the device, if a Bluetooth is available, then if a Bluetooth is selected, then select that and take the address and name of that device that will be set into the elements. So before picking, it will be default address and name, and after picking, the selected device address and name will be selected and it will be kept in the elements block. Now go to the clock. Here what we are going to do is, if a Bluetooth element is connected, we are going to display the message as a device is connected. If a Bluetooth client is connected, then a message will be shown to you, a Bluetooth device is connected, with the font color of green if a device is connected. In the same way, you can copy and paste or you can duplicate
put it here. If it is not connected, so for inserting that not, go to the logic, take the not, place it here. If it is not connected, the message should be no Bluetooth device connected. Text color to be red and the background color to be white. Now we need to program the buttons. For that, go to the buttons. When the lamp on button is clicked, what we need to do? We need to send the corresponding code for switching on the lamp through Bluetooth communication. For that, go to the call the Bluetooth client, send a text block. What is the code we need to set? We need to send a character. For that, go to the text, select the empty block. We are going to send the character A for switching on the lamp. Duplicate this. When the lamp off button is clicked, we are going to send the character B for switching off the lamp.
This is the Bluetooth module. Now we are going to control this electric lamp using this Bluetooth module. So in the Bluetooth module, this is the VCC pin, ground and transmission pin and receiving pin. You have to connect it accordingly. So the connections are finished. Now we will see about the Arduino coding for this. So this is the program what we are going to use for controlling the lamp. So we have declared the lamp to be used in pin number 13, and inside the setup we have begun the serial communication to see the corresponding control actions whatever happening through serial monitor. The lamp pin was declared to be in output mode. Inside the loop function we are checking any Bluetooth communication is available or not, and if we pair and connect any external Bluetooth device, it will go inside the loop and it will check for any character is received or not. Using the switch case statement, we have implemented the control action. If the character received is A, the lamp will be switched on through relay module, and if the character received is B, the lamp will be switched off through relay module. So now we are going to upload this program into the Arduino microcontroller and we will have the trial of this program. So the Arduino microcontroller's data cable is connected. Now we need to upload the program. Before uploading the program, remove the TX and RX wires from the Arduino microcontroller. Now you can go to tools, select the board correctly, select the communication port correctly, then you can upload the code. The uploading is done. Now you can connect the TX and RX pins correctly. Take the mobile phone from which we need to control the electric lamp. Now we need to scan for the Bluetooth devices. You can see the comment, no Bluetooth device connected. So press the scan for Bluetooth devices. All the paired devices are listed here. From this we need to select the Bluetooth module what we have connected here. So that is HC06. So you can see the comment, a Bluetooth device is connected. Also, so once it is connected, so the frequency of switching on and switching off will be in this way. So now this mobile phone and the Bluetooth device are connected to each other. So now you can start controlling the electric lamp. So by pressing the lamp on, the character A will be sent from the mobile phone to the Bluetooth module. From there, it will reach the microcontroller board. By seeing the character A, the pin number 13 will be made low. Thereby, the relay module will be switched on, through which the lamp will be switched on. In the same way, if you press lamp off button, the character B will be sent from the mobile phone to the Bluetooth module. From there, the character B will be sent to microcontroller board. So that microcontroller board will receive the character B and it will make the pin number 13 high, by which the relay module will be switched off and the lamp will be switched off. Simultaneously, you can see the serial monitor for the respective control actions. Now you can add as much number of buttons as you need to control different electrical appliances. So remember, for one load you need to use 2 buttons. One button is for switching on the corresponding load, another button for switching off the corresponding load. So in that way, so for simplicity, let me use 4 other buttons so that in total I am going to control 3 loads. So instead of taking horizontal arrangement every time, delete this horizontal arrangement and take a table arrangement where you can set how many number of rows and columns whatever you need. So we need 2 columns and 3 rows, and the height is automatic with fill parent. Now you can start adding the buttons. So as I said, I am developing the app for controlling 3 loads. So totally 6 buttons I need to add. Take the button. So all these odd numbers are for switching on the corresponding loads. All the even numbers are for switching off the corresponding loads. So let me simply name it as and correspondingly you can change here also. So totally 6 buttons added for the 3 loads. So for this we will do the block programming. When lamp 1 on is clicked, we need to call the Bluetooth client and we need to send the control text. Simultaneously we need a voice feedback. For that, load 1 switched on. This you can copy and paste or you can duplicate L1 off. So let the control word be B. The load is switched off. So all the 6 buttons were programmed accordingly, and now it's time to have a trial for this. You need to modify the Arduino coding for the 3 loads. So now I am going to add one more button. I am going to use that button for switching on all the lamps at the same time using that button. So for that, add one more button, and in the same way I need to switch off all the loads at the same time. For that, instead of using a button, let me use one sensor. So for that sensor, go to sensors, take the first sensor, accelerometer sensor. So this accelerometer sensor is going to be used for switching off all the lamps at the same time. All load button is clicked on another new code will be sent, which is G, and in the same way, so by this way we can do home automation for any number of loads. This is the Arduino code which we are going to use for controlling the 3 loads from our smartphone through Bluetooth module using Arduino microcontroller. So now we will upload this code and we will check for the output trial. And you can see a Bluetooth device is connected, is displaying in the connectivity status. You can see the blinking style of the Bluetooth module. So it shows that it is connected. Now we can start controlling the devices. So let us switch on the load 1.
Load 1 switched on.
So this is the load 1 that is switched on.
Load 1 switched
The
off.
load is switched off. Let us switch on the second
Load
load.
2 switched on.
Second load, it is switched on.
Load 2 switched
And
off.
it is switched off. And the
Load
third
3
load,
switched on. Load 3 switched
and it is
off.
switched off. So let us try the all load on option.
All loads switched on.
All the 3 loads are switched on. And for switching off, we have used the accelerometer sensor. For that, we have to shake the mobile phone.
All the loads were switched off.
Any 230 volt appliance can be connected as a load, not only the lamps. Developed app is able to control 3 loads. You can have any number of loads. I hope you like the video.
Load
Hit the
1
like
switched
button
on.
and subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get immediate notifications. Share the video
All
as
loads
much as
switched on.
possible for whomever it may be useful. Hoping to see you in the next video. Until then, I am Masood ibn Abdul Wahid signing off.
All the loads were switched off.